Dear friends of the cultivated sewage disposal. Today's question: is it possible to connect other drainage objects to the lateral inlet of the Plancofix? The Plancofix floor drainage pump is designed to overcome missing gradients in barrier-free bathroom renovations. For the shower, the two inlets on the tank, shown here, are only intended for connecting a shower channel if the Plancofix is not or cannot be installed directly in the shower. Now, one could come up with the idea of connecting other drainage items to the side inlets, such as a sink in the basement, to save a proper sewage water lifting station. Bad idea. If there is a dysfunction of the Plancofix, e.g. a blockage of the pump due to coarse particles being flushed in, the water will come out of the inlet slots in the floor. And if you continue to think about what can happen when the sewer overflows outside, I have to go.